Step 1. Go to www.facebook.com and sign into your account. Once you have signed into your account, Facebook should take you to this screen. This is called your news feed page. To make sure you are on the news feed page, click the Facebook icon in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Once you have confirmed that you are on the news feed page, look to the top middle of the screen. You will find your Facebook name. Once you find it, go ahead and click it. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. Step 3. Once you reach your profile page, click the word About. This will take you to a section that contains your About You settings. This page will allow you to change things on your Facebook profile, like your workplace and relationship status. After reaching this screen, look to the left and click the option labeled Contact and Basic Info. Step 4. Once you have clicked Contact and Basic Information, Facebook will take you to a new page. Scroll down and go to the section labeled Basic Information. This section allows you to change your Facebook birthday information. Step 5. Hover your mouse cursor over to the right of your birthday and the word Edit will appear. Go ahead and click Edit and enter your new birthday into the white boxes. Step 6. Once you have completed entering your birthday information, notice the options to the right of your birthday. These options allow you to set who can see your birthday info. I recommend setting these options to friends only. Having these options being set to friends only is ideal because it prevents the information from being completely public, but it also reminds your Facebook friends to wish you a happy birthday. Step 7. Once you have finished setting up your birthday privacy settings and updating your birthday information, click the small white box to confirm your age and then click Save Changes. Congrats, you're finished. If you found this video to be helpful, then click the thumbs up icon below and let me know what you thought. And if you think you might know someone who could be helped by this video or the Tech Tips for Boomers channel, then click the arrow button or share button right below the video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.